Top 9 benefits of exercise and how much to do. It's common knowledge that exercise is one of the most important things you can do for your health. It's the closest thing we have to a miracle drug. According to Jean Shercarbot, DPT, co-founder of Recharge in Ellicott City, Maryland, it has many advantages and very few disadvantages. These benefits extend far beyond your physical body. Exercise can improve your mood, improve your sleep, and keep your body running smoothly, not to mention lower your risk of chronic disease. Experts recommend that adults get at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise per week, which can be split up however they want, such as 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week, and 2 days of strength training activities. There is no requirement that you lift a certain amount of weight or run a certain number of miles. If you aren't already active, start slowly. A small amount goes a long way toward getting started and developing good habits. It makes a big difference, says Dr. Mark Hutchinson of the American College of Sports Medicine Foundation. Here are 9 of the most significant benefits of exercise. It makes you more resilient. Exercise is essential for the development and maintenance of strong bones and muscles. In your 40s, you typically begin to lose bone mass, and more than half of Americans over the age of 50 have osteoporosis, a condition in which your bones become weak and brittle. Shercarbot claims that exercise, specifically weight-bearing exercise, counteracts the natural deterioration of bone density. Fast walking, running, and resistance training all put strain on your bones and joints, forcing them to rebuild. Muscle mass begins to decline after the age of 30. However, Shercarbot claims that it is not a foregone conclusion. A progressive strength training program, combined with adequate protein consumption, can compensate for this loss. It benefits cardiovascular health. Because your heart is a muscle, it's no surprise that physical activity affects cardiovascular health. High-intensity interval training, for example, improves heart rate variability, or the time between your heartbeats. It's frequently used to assess how well your cardiovascular system is working. More variation means that your heart can easily speed up or slow down in response to changing circumstances. Reduces your chances of dying. We are all mortal. People who are physically active, whether through aerobic exercise or strength training, live longer. Exercise is even beneficial for cancer patients, lowering the risk of dying within a certain time period by up to 35%. Sedentary lifestyles can result in risk factors that can lead to life-threatening problems. Exercise, on the other hand, teaches your body to adapt to stress, and everything, including your heart, lungs, blood vessels, and kidneys, begins to work better. You also get things out of your system better, Hutchinson adds. You have fewer problems with bad cholesterol and heart health. You are less likely to have high blood pressure and other cardiac problems. It improves your mood. While you've probably heard of the term runner's high, any workout can provide an exercise-induced mood boost. Physical activity helps to prepare your brain for this. Exercise raises the body's endocannabinoid levels. These molecules are similar to those found in cannabis and can cause feelings of well-being and even euphoria, particularly after 30 minutes or more of moderate intensity exercise. Aerobic exercise and resistance training have both been shown to significantly alleviate depression and anxiety symptoms. It regulates your blood sugar. Hutchinson notes that if you have diabetes, exercise may help you reduce the amount of medication you need to manage the condition. Physical activity can improve insulin sensitivity, the hormone that helps your body manage blood sugar. In people with type 2 diabetes or prediabetes, both high and moderate intensity exercise improves glucose metabolism and insulin sensitivity. It benefits brain health. Physical activity improves blood circulation in the brain. Increased blood flow brings more oxygen and nutrients to the brain while removing waste. That could explain why studies show that exercise improves cognitive and executive function. Exercise also stimulates the growth of new nerve cells, or neurons, which can result in structural changes in the brain that promote learning. Exercise, it turns out, alters the structure of your brain as well. Researchers discovered that people with better cardiovascular fitness had fewer lesions and showed less deterioration in their white matter. It reduces stress. Yoga does more than just make you limber. According to Hutchinson, the mind-body connection can improve mental health. Yoga has been shown in studies to activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is a network of nerves that tells the body to relax. Yoga poses combined with breathing exercises improved heart rate variability and stress levels. A regular yoga program reduced stress and increased feelings of focus, happiness, and well-being among medical students. It reduces your chances of falling. Falls, especially among the elderly, can result in serious injuries and hospitalization. Falls are the leading cause of people becoming incapacitated and eventually dying, Sher Carbode says. That is, the long-term consequences of being bedridden following a fall pose a significant risk to older adults. However, studies show that being physically active on a regular basis reduces your risk of falling-related injuries by up to 40%. According to Sher Carbode, balance exercises and strength training can both protect your body from falls and help you recover faster if you do fall. It improves your quality of life. Hutchinson and Sher Carbode both agree that regular exercise leads to a higher quality of life. You can do more of the things you enjoy in life for a longer period of time if you have greater endurance, strength, and body systems that work more efficiently.